Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download NHS application on your Android device. NHS is a health service application that everybody in the UK can use when they become poorly or injured. They can easily get help from the application, and it is also free at the point of use, which means people can be treated for free when they are poorly. So, if you'd like to download the application on your device, then keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Start by clicking open your web browser and in the search area type in NHS APK download. From the search result, you can go ahead and select any link. In my case, I'm going to select this NHS app for Android APK download from APK Pure link. And now tap on download APK. In the pop-up at the bottom, tap on OK and your download details will be displayed. After you're done with the download, tap on the app file and from the pop-up, select install. The installation of the application to your Android device has started. Wait until it's done, and once it is done, tap open the application. And there you have downloaded NHS application on your Android device. Go ahead and log into your account, and that is it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.